Good morning, guys. Praful here. Welcome back and thanks for joining in. Today is the 30th of December. Today is the combination of three expiries, both the weekly expiry, the monthly expiry, and the yearly expiry. So everyone is expecting a lot of fireworks to go on. Everyone is expecting a lot of volatility. And currently, so my position looks currently something like this. The calls are at 17,300 and the puts are at 17,100. And I have taken like part of my position as a riskier position, that is 150 put and 250 call. So this is how currently the position looks, and it's been the same case because the market dips in the first minute and then immediately gets bought, and that has been the case. And after that, the market trends to go sideways. So the thing is, 17,250 can be a very steep resistance. So जब तक ये 17,250 breach नहीं होता है तब तक of course, like these 17,250 calls will be a threat, but I will be mitigating that threat by either by pushing the puts up or by some mechanism. I'm going to be mitigating that threat. The puts are losing quite in value, so I'm going to let this 17,250 call to uh, reach somewhere around 30. So 30 तक भी मैं इसको छोड़ सकता हूँ. We have already captured like 4 points of decay, and including we giving up almost 4k, 4.5k for the hedges. So the puts are decaying in quite some value because जब जैसे market close हुआ था कल शाम को, so everyone thought that okay, the puts, I mean there is a good amount of downside for the expiry, but contrary to everyone's belief, the market is relentlessly heading higher. I mean, it's showing a good amount of strength. The strength mainly coming from IT sector. Wow, IT is the only sector which is showing strength. Bank Nifty, it's pretty flat. Bank Nifty is flat, and Reliance is flat, and HDFC is down. IT is just like going like anything. So IT देख लेंगे. Okay, IT is the only thing which is showing a good amount of strength, and it's already at the yesterday's high. So अगर यहाँ से breakout देता है IT, then we have a good amount of upside to it. And again, just like this thing, so we have already crossed like 5 lakh rupees for the month of December. So not taking a lot of risks today, trying to collect like some peanuts and then calling it a day. So that's the idea, like not gonna take too much of an aggression, like not gonna show too much of an aggression today. So we are already up by around 25k, and the plan for this covered call is, look at this covered call. I had shorted it at 84 rupees. ये प्राइस मत देखो because वो बीच में इंट्राडे ट्रेड वो सब मतलब मिक्स करके जीरो देन ये प्राइस दिखा रहा है. I had shorted this 17,200 call at 84 rupees. So for me to realize some loss in this 17,200 का call, the market has to end somewhere here. 17,300 के ऊपर एंड करना पड़ेगा because this price is basically the average price. एवरेज पे सेटल हो जाता है. तो 17,300 से ऊपर जब तक ब्रीच नहीं करता मार्केट, so that's nothing to be worried about क्योंकि मेरा ऑलरेडी प्रॉफिट में रहता है. एंड अनदर थिंग इज, अगर ये 17,300 भी पहुंच गया, ठीक है, आई एम गोना बुक द लॉस हियर, बट नथिंग टू वरी बिकॉज then I'll be getting the 17,400 or 17,500 call options of the next week at a much better price. All right, so that's the idea, and currently the position looks something like this, and yeah, nothing much to talk about. तो एडजस्टमेंट क्या रहने वाला है, तो लुक एट दिस. नाउ द पुट्स आर काइंड ऑफ गेनिंग बैक अप. तो आइडिया क्या रहेगा, I'll wait till the CPR is breached, and then probably I might start shifting more amount of calls to 17,250, or probably I might shift these puts away also. Let's see. All right, हाफ एन आवर में काफी अच्छा डीके मिल गया. ऑलमोस्ट वी हैव कैप्चर्ड लाइक मोर देन ऑलमोस्ट 8 पॉइंट्स. तो 45,000 के आसपास चल रहा है मार्क टू मार्केट, एंड the main reason is that the puts are depreciating a lot and the calls are refusing to move up, because look at this, the 17,230 call option, I mean markets at 17,230 and the 17,300 call option is refusing to move up. So at one point it will start to explode. So I will set the stop losses now. Usually I don't do that, but at least थोड़े quantities के लिए मैं stop losses set करूंगा मैं. I don't want to get stuck here. एंड पुट्स को भी मतलब धीरे धीरे ऊपर लेके आऊंगा मैं. I'll see what to be done. Alright, लास्ट एडजस्टमेंट से ज्यादा इतना कुछ मतलब खास ज्यादा कुछ किया नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट दैट लाइक डेल्टा के लिए थोड़ा मैनेज करना पड़ा. जब मार्केट नीचे आ रहा था, देन आई पुश द कॉल्स बैक टू 17,300 एंड थोड़ा कॉल्स को 17,250 पे लेके आया, एंड देन पुट्स को थोड़ा 17,150 पे लेके गया था. बट देन वंस दिस बाउंस स्टार्टेड कमिंग ऑफ, अगेन आई पुश द 17,200 पुट्स बैक टू 17,150. So currently around 73k mark to market चल रहा है. So the funds used are somewhere around 63 lakhs. Why? Because 60 उसमें से 2 lakhs या 2.5 lakhs ये covered call के लिए गया है. Around 62 lakhs कुछ तो funds use किया है. So we are already up by close to we are up by more than 1%. So from here on, so let's see like how the market turns out, because like अगर CPR से नीचे अगर फिर से आना शुरू करता है, then I'll take this 17,200 puts away to 17,150. So because already इतना DK मिल चुका है, so what is the straddle trading? And the straddle is merely trading at some 50 rupees, 55, 60 rupees पे. So the volatility, if at all the volatility shoots up past 1 o'clock के बाद अगर volatility shoot up हो जाता है, and if we see some sudden moves in both the directions, then probably we have to look at some MTM losses and all that. So that is why we have a very good cushion now, 74,000. So I'll try to maximize as much as I can, but not at the cost of a mad risk. So इतना mad risk लेने का कुछ sense नहीं बनता, because I can easily sit on either 17,200 or 17,250 straddle if the market moves there. But no, if the market moves towards 17,250, then I'll be shifting the 17,250 calls to 17,300. And if the market moves towards 17,200, then I'll be shifting 17,200 puts to 17,150. So that would be the approach, and not the other way around. All right. So we are in a very comfortable state. I think the December expiry is giving like quite some, DK. The December monthly, yearly, weekly, sub सारे का expiry है आज ही, and it's giving quite some DK to the option sellers, and we have already captured like what, 13 points. 13 points is not bad at all. Not bad at all. And the thing is, look at this. Premiums कैसा है? ये 18 rupees है, 20 rupees है, correct? But I can let this 17,250 call up to 25 also. Why? ये 25 जाना है तो ये भी गिरेगा. But इसके साथ साथ what's gonna happen to the outer options? You have to look at that also. Look at this. 17,300 call is at just 4.8 rupees. But 17,150 put option is still at 9.5 rupees. So ये 25 पे जाता है तो ये शायद ये 6-7 rupees के लिए appreciate हो जाएगा. But this will collapse to like 5 rupees. So that is why this entire position, even if the market goes higher, it's not gonna hurt as much. But let's say the market suddenly tanks down, मतलब immediately tank down होता है, then probably we might look at some mark to market losses. That's mainly because 17 से ये आएगा 13 पे 4 rupees, and ये 20 से लेके ये शायद जा सकता है 27, so 7 rupees. Yeah. This position has a little bit of risk towards the bearish side, but since I'm sitting right in front of the system, so I'll be there to manage it. So the moment this starts touching like 25 or something, so probably I'll have to take this out and put it to 17,150 or either 17,100. Like both, I'm comfortable with both, because look at this. Even if I sit on a 17,300 and 17,100, which is a 200 points triangle, इस 200 points triangle पे बैठूंगा भी, so I'll get around 9 rupees on the short position minus 1 rupee in the hedges. That is, I'll get 8 rupees. So 8 rupees into 6,000, which equates somewhere around 48,000. I'll still be making somewhere around 1.2 lakhs. But since I'm already in a very good comfortable position, I want to play and I want to stay with moderate risk. I won't say like I would take a substantial amount of risk, but this is okay because this is my normal way of doing things, and I'm very comfortable doing this. So that's the approach. So I'll wait for this CPR to be breached. Once the CPR starts to breach, then probably I'll risk off from the put side and try to collect less. That's it. All right, time is 1:15, and the market has been in a very small 50-point range apart from the first 10 minutes. So first 10 minutes later, though, even then like the market is in a 100-point range, and the mark to market is above 1 lakh now, and we still have a lot of premium left. That is like just a 100 points triangle has 15 points left, so which is a very good thing. And this is the time where we can actually take risks, right? Like you already have like 1 lakh. So what's the worst that could happen? I can give up like everything and just go home cost to cost. I don't mind that because December has already been good. So now this is the point where I don't mind, taking some additional risk. So the idea is let the 17,200 reach somewhere around 13. Yeah, somewhere around 13. And once that happens, then probably I'll shift some of the puts to 17,150 and then push some of the calls to 17,250. And that's how I'm going to play this. But though I'm taking the risk, as I always say, the risk is in very controlled way. I don't want to shift. I don't want to put all my quantities at 17,250 calls, because that is kind of madness, right? Because even a single 20-point up move can blow these calls up by 20. From 21 they can go to 35 in a matter of minutes. So I let the 17200 puts for some time, because even now I feel that the 17200 puts have quite an amount of value, because 17200 breach hone ke liye, like, it has to come back, it has to breach this support level jahan pe, just a minute, yeah, this support level, this is a good support level because it has a confluence of multiple moving averages and 2 pin bar rejections here, and after that it has to breach the CPR at again, and after that it has to breach the swing, and यहाँ पे भी एक pin bar rejection बना है, and यहाँ पे 200 day moving average है. So 17200 should be ideally a I don't know, like 17200 shouldn't be breached today unless we see some massive FII selling even on the final expiry of the year. But nothing is guaranteed. But as I said, I'm gonna let this 17200 put above somewhere around 13. So once that happens, so I'll shift all the 17200 puts to, I'll shift the 700 puts to 17150 in a staggered manner. So slow and steadily मैं मान लो 13 पे एक 2000 क्वांटिटी शिफ्ट करूंगा, 14 पे और एक 2000 क्वांटिटी, 15 पे और एक 2000 क्वांटिटी, ऐसे शिफ्ट करूंगा, and उसके साथ साथ मैं 17300 को भी धीरे धीरे 17250 पे लेके आऊंगा. सो दैट वुड बी द अप्रोच एज ऑफ नाउ. Currently the mark to market is 1,05,000 rupees. We have a lot of meat left. I'll keep you guys. Time is 3:23. सारे पोजीशंस क्लोज कर दिया है, एंड 6th Jan का नेक्स्ट वीक का कवर्ड कॉल 17300 कॉल को मैंने शॉर्ट किया है. तो नेट 1.45 lakhs, एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट इस लास्ट 15 मिनट्स पे मार्केट ने मुझे काफी ज्यादा नचा दिया. इट्स मेनली बिकॉज आई सिटिंग ऑन अ 17250 17200 का स्ट्रैडल, एंड द 17200 का कॉल ऑप्शन इट वेंट फ्रॉम 3 rupees to 15 rupees, एंड मैंने एग्जिट किया 12 rupees में. तो वहां पे मेरे को काफी ज्यादा लॉस हो गया. देखो, look at this from 3 rupees in a matter of couple of minutes, from 3 it went up till 14 and a half, and मैंने यहाँ पे एग्जिट किया. मैंने काफी देर तक होल्ड किया उसको वापस आएगा करके, बट देन इट टेस्टेड माय लिमिट्स, एंड मेरा थ्रेशोल्ड जैसे ब्रीच हुआ वहां पे मेरा कॉल स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, एंड आई हैड टू कम आउट, बिकॉज अगर एवरेजिंग टाइम के जो मुंह आता है ऐसे आ जाता तो दिस 12 rupees मैंने जो 12 rupees पे काटा, इट वुड हैव इजीली गॉन टू 25 आल्सो. So that's why I didn't want to take that risk, but looks like both the 17200 and 17200 call, like they both are going to expire worthless. At least like one of them is gonna expire worthless, and दोनों पे मतलब 17200 पे भी मेरे को हिट हुआ, 17200 कॉल पे भी हिट हुआ. तो वहां पे मैं कम से कम एक 20-30,000 मैंने ऐसे ही मतलब लास्ट, इफ यू सी हियर फ्रॉम 1510 या फ्रॉम 1510 से मैंने काफी ज्यादा ऑर्डर्स प्लेस किया है. 1510 से 8 rupees पे मैंने कवर किया, 12 rupees पे मैंने कवर किया, एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो लाइक आई स्टार्टेड trying to short the 17200 call, and then I don't know, like it was kind of I just got played, because I think I'm not used to trying directional, because जब market ऐसे ऊपर जा रहा था तो then the call options would significantly gain and the put options would not decay at all, and vice versa. तो दोनों जगह पे मेरा मतलब थोड़ा ये हो गया, because मेरा मार्क टू मार्केट ही मतलब 1.6 lakhs दिखा रहा था, एंड अगर अच्छा होता तो 2 lakhs टच हो जाता था, बट अगेन can't help it. So this is the place where I'll be closing, so around 1.45 lakhs for the day. ठीक है, I mean nothing to complain, but I could have been a little more agile, and I could have been a little more sensible in the last. मतलब लास्ट में मैं थोड़ा मतलब होश खो दिया, मतलब मैं सोचा कि चलो टच करेंगे 2 लाख, कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे, बट एज यूजुअल हो जाता है. बट it's good to close the market, I mean close the year on a very positive note, because 1.45 lakhs I think expiry पे मेरा highest profit भी रहेगा लगता है, and Algo also captured some 2k or 3k, but immaterial. But anyway, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Most probably I won't trade. If at all I trade, it would be just it's like a small scalping kind of a trade. तो शायद वीडियो आ नहीं पाएगी. अगर वीडियो आएगी तो ऑफकोर्स लाइक आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगी. अगर सिर्फ ट्रेड अपडेट मिलेगा तो ट्विटर पे मिलेगा. लाइक इफ यू हैव नॉट बीन फॉलोइंग मी, इफ यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग मी ऑन ट्विटर, यू कैन जस्ट फॉलो मी. चलो गाइस, बाय बाय. आई विल सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.